If you've forgotten your Apple Music password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. If you are using a computer, you can also access Apple Music through iTunes or the Music app on macOS. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. In the app, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the For You tab, then selecting your name or account settings. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Reset Password. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Follow the prompts. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID email address. Follow the instructions provided, which may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you verify your identity, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to log back into your Apple Music account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.